Welcome back, Salty Nation. It's Daniel here. Today we're going to be doing the FG knot tutorial. What that is that's the strongest braid to leader material knot that you can tie. It has many benefits, which you'll see in the video. Welcome back, Salty Nation. It's Daniel here, and today we're going to be doing a braid to leader material tutorial. So we're going to start off right now. We have some 30-pound yellow braid, just so you guys can see it. And this end is going to go out to my rod. So you're going to take the slack end of this, and you're going to wrap it 1, 2, I like to do 3 times. And you can keep a little bit of tension on this. So you're going to start right here. I'll take about 6-7 inches of my leader material, and you're going to wrap over the top. And it's going to form this little bite right there. So you're going to wrap towards the rod, then you're going to do a wrap towards yourself, making sure to keep it tight right there. And you do that about 16 or 17 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, now you can just go ahead and undo that. And right here, you're going to see, you're going to take the end, the tag end right here of your leader, the short end, and it's going to go towards the rod. You're going to take where you left off, and you're going to do 2 half hitches. So you're just going to wrap around right there, bring it in, nice and tight. That's 1. It's going to go in right here. Make sure it goes over both the braid and the leader at the same time. Got my 2 half hitches. Cool. So right here you guys can see it's going to be like that. You should have this nice little squiggly line. So you're going to take that and you're going to tighten down on that. Make sure that these knots right here really bite into the leader material. Then I like to take a pair of nail clippers, and you're going to trim really close to even closer right there, since we've already tightened it up. Now we're going to go ahead and do another 2 half hitches. 1, 2, and we can go ahead and we can cut off this tag end of the leader or the braid. So just take your thing, cut it off, cut even shorter. Shouldn't even be able to see it. And look, you have almost a seamless knot from the leader material to your braid. So it won't get caught up in your eyelets. And that's about it. Lots of benefits to it. It's the strongest knot between leader and braid. So we just finished up tying that, cut off the tag end right here. And you have this seamless braid to leader material knot. It's not going to catch in your eyelets, so you're not going to have any issue with that. And it's just not going to break. The tighter it pulls, this braid right here is just going to dig into the mana that's wrapped around. That's why we did 16 wraps. You can do 16, 18, or 20, but I found that 16 works very well. I've never had a problem with it. I just want to thank you guys for checking out the video. Hopefully you guys learned how to tie the FG knot. If you guys would like to know anything else about fishing, how to tie stuff, set up your rigs, go ahead and leave a comment below. We'd love if you guys check us out on our Instagram or Facebook, as well as if you guys subscribed. So go ahead and smash that like button. And as always, stay salty.